Have you ever woken up with red, itchy bites all over your arms and legs and had no idea where they came from? You check your sheets? Nothing. You check your mattress? Nothing. But the bites keep coming every single night. That is one of the most frustrating, exhausting, and honestly embarrassing problems a person can face. And here is the thing nobody tells you up front. Bed bugs are not a sign that your home is dirty. They do not care how clean you are. They care about one thing only, you, your warmth, your blood, and they are incredibly good at hiding. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you actually need to know about bed bugs, how to identify them with certainty, why they are so hard to eliminate, what cheap, genuinely effective tools actually work, and the step-by-step method that pest control professionals use, which you can apply yourself at home for a fraction of the cost. No gimmicks, no miracle powders, just real information that works. Let us talk about the problem first, because if you have never dealt with bed bugs, you may be underestimating them. Bed bugs are tiny, about the size of an apple seed when fully grown. They are flat, oval-shaped, and reddish-brown. Because of their flat bodies, they can squeeze into gaps as thin as a credit card. That means the seams of your mattress, the joints of your bed frame, the back of your headboard, the inside of your electrical outlets, even the spine of a book sitting on your nightstand. All of these are potential hiding spots. They feed at night, usually between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. when you are in your deepest sleep. A single feeding takes about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, they retreat back into hiding and can go weeks, sometimes months, without feeding again. That is what makes them so hard to detect early. You might have a small infestation for 2 or 3 months before you notice any signs at all. The bites themselves look different on different people. Some people get red welts in a line or cluster, others get large, swollen reactions, and roughly 30% of people show no reaction at all, meaning someone in your home could be getting bitten every night and never know it. The infestation just grows silently. Here's the cost reality. A professional bedbug treatment for a single bedroom typically runs between $300 and $500. For a 2-bedroom apartment, you're looking at $600 to $1,000. And most infestations require 2 or even 3 treatments to fully eliminate, because eggs hatch after the first treatment and the cycle starts again. That is a real financial burden, especially when many people do not have that kind of money sitting around. But here's the good news. With the right knowledge and consistent effort, many infestations, especially early stage ones, can be handled effectively at home. The tools that work are not expensive. What they require is patience and precision. Before you do anything, you need to confirm you actually have bed bugs. This sounds obvious, but many people treat for bed bugs when they actually have flea bites, spider bites, or a skin condition. Treating the wrong problem wastes time and money. Here is how to confirm. Pull your mattress away from the wall and remove all bedding. Look at the mattress seams, the stitched edges all around the mattress. Using a flashlight, you are looking for 4 things. First, live bugs, which are flat and reddish-brown. Second, shed skins, which are translucent and hollow, like a ghost of the bug. Third, tiny white eggs, which look like grains of rice, but smaller. And fourth, dark reddish-brown stains on the fabric, which are fecal spots, digested blood that the bugs leave behind. Check the box spring next. Remove the fabric cover on the underside if there is one. Check the bed frame, especially the joints and screw holes. Check behind the headboard. Check any furniture within 5 feet of the bed. Nightstands, dressers, and upholstered chairs are common secondary hiding spots. If you find any of these signs, you have confirmed the infestation. Now you know what you are dealing with. And knowing that is actually a relief, because now you can take real action. Now let us talk about what genuinely works. There are 3 proven tools that form the foundation of any effective bedbug treatment: heat, diatomaceous earth, and mattress encasements. Each one works differently, and together they cover all the weaknesses of the others. The first and most powerful tool is heat. Bed bugs die at 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 50 degrees Celsius. They cannot survive sustained exposure to high heat. This is why professional heat treatments work so well. But professional equipment is expensive. You can replicate this at home in 2 ways. Your dryer is your best friend. Any fabric item that may be infested, bedding, pillowcases, curtains, stuffed animals, clothing from the affected room, should be run through a hot dryer cycle for at least 30 minutes. Not the washer first. The dryer directly on the highest heat setting. The washing machine does not get hot enough on its own to kill bugs reliably. The dryer does. Do this before you do anything else. For your mattress and furniture, you can rent a portable heat chamber, sometimes called a bedbug oven, from certain hardware stores or online rental services. These are large bags or enclosed chambers that you place furniture or items inside, and they heat to temperatures that kill bugs at all life stages, including eggs. Renting one typically costs $40 to $80 per day. That is significantly less than a professional visit. The second tool is Diatomaceous earth. This is a fine white powder made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms. It is completely non-toxic to humans and pets when used correctly. But for insects, it is lethal. The microscopic particles are razor sharp at a microscopic level, and they damage the waxy outer layer of the bedbug's exoskeleton, causing it to dehydrate and die. It takes 24 to 72 hours to work after contact, but it keeps working as long as the powder is in place and dry. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is available at garden centers, hardware stores, and online. A 1-pound bag costs around $8 to $12 and is more than enough for a full treatment. You do not need expensive bedbug-specific brands. Standard food-grade diatomaceous earth is the same thing. The third tool is a mattress encasement. This is a zippered cover that fully encloses your mattress and box spring. Any bugs trapped inside cannot escape or feed, and they eventually die of starvation. Any bugs on the outside cannot find hiding spots in the seams. A quality encasement costs $30 to $60 for a mattress, and a similar amount for a box spring. Look for ones that are labeled specifically for bedbugs, with a fine-tooth zipper and no gaps. Here's the step-by-step method. Follow each step in order. Skipping steps reduces your results significantly. First, prepare the room. Remove everything from the floor. Take all clothing out of the closet and dressers, and bag it in sealed plastic bags. Bag all bedding, pillows, and fabric items. Take all of these bags directly to the laundry and run everything through a hot dryer for at least 30 minutes. Keep clean items in sealed bags until the treatment is complete. Do not bring them back into the room until the final step. Second, dismantle the bed. Take apart the bed frame if possible. Remove the mattress and box spring and stand them upright against a wall so you can access all sides. If you have a headboard, remove it from the wall. Third, vacuum everything thoroughly. Use a vacuum with a bag, not a bagless vacuum, and go over every surface of the mattress, box spring, bed frame, headboard, baseboards, furniture, and floor in the room. Go slowly and press the nozzle firmly into seams and crevices. When done, immediately remove the vacuum bag, seal it in a plastic bag, and throw it outside in your trash bin. Do not leave it inside your home. Fourth, apply diatomaceous earth. Using a duster, puffer bottle, or even a dry paintbrush, apply a thin, even layer of diatomaceous earth to the following areas: all cracks and joints in the bed frame, the area around baseboards, behind the headboard, and around the edges of the room where the floor meets the wall. You want a light dusting, not a visible pile. Thick clumps are actually less effective because bugs walk around them. Think of it as a fine coating, like powdered sugar on a donut. Fifth, encase the mattress and box spring. Before you reassemble the bed, slide both your mattress and box spring into their encasements. Zip them up completely. Check that the zipper is fully closed. Place the mattress back on the box spring. Sixth, install bed bug interceptors. These are small plastic dishes that go under each leg of your bed frame. Bugs trying to climb up into the bed fall into the dish and cannot escape. They cost about $15 to $20 for a set of 4 online. Once installed, pull your bed away from the wall, at least 6 inches, and make sure no bedding is touching the floor. This turns your bed into an island. Bugs can only reach you by climbing the legs, and the interceptors stop them. Seventh, repeat after 2 weeks. Bedbug eggs typically hatch within 6 to 10 days. This means a single treatment misses the next generation. 2 weeks after your first treatment, vacuum and reapply diatomaceous earth to all the same areas. Check the interceptors for any captured bugs. This tells you whether the infestation is declining. A third treatment 2 weeks after that is often the final nail. One important safety note: wear a dust mask when applying diatomaceous earth. It is non-toxic, but the fine powder can irritate your lungs if you breathe it in. Keep pets out of the room during application and let the dust settle for 30 minutes before allowing anyone back in. Here is what you can expect to see as the treatment works. In the first week, you may actually notice more bug activity initially, as the diatomaceous earth disturbs their hiding spots. This is normal. Do not panic. It means the treatment is working. By the end of week 2, bites should begin decreasing noticeably. Check your interceptors regularly. In a moderate infestation, you may find several bugs trapped there in the first week, then fewer and fewer as the population drops. By week 4 to 6, with consistent treatment, most early to moderate infestations are resolved. Heavy infestations, ones that have been untreated for 6 months or more and have spread to multiple rooms, may require professional help, and there is no shame in that. Professionals have commercial-grade heat equipment that can treat an entire apartment in a single visit. If your infestation is spread beyond 1 or 2 rooms, calling in a professional alongside your home efforts is the most efficient path. The results from a properly executed home treatment using heat, diatomaceous earth, and encasements are real and lasting. The encasements, once on, stay on permanently. They protect you going forward. The diatomaceous earth remains effective as long as it stays dry. And the habits you build, checking secondhand furniture before bringing it inside, inspecting hotel rooms when you travel, and knowing the early warning signs, protect you from future infestations entirely. Thousands of people handle bedbug infestations this way every year. The difference between people who succeed and people who struggle is almost always consistency. The method works. You just have to follow every step, repeat the treatment, and not give up. If this helped you, please like this video. It genuinely helps more people find this information when they need it. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video, where I will cover exactly how to inspect a hotel room for bedbugs before you unpack, a skill every traveler needs. One final thing to remember: finding bedbugs in your home is not a reflection of who you are. It can happen to anyone, anywhere. What matters is that you now have real, accurate information to deal with it effectively. You do not need to panic. You do not need to throw out all your furniture. You just need a plan and the patience to follow through. You have that now. Go take care of it.